What's up guys, this is going right here. I'm super excited to bring you this brand new video. So welcome to the day in the life of a Forex trader. Not just a day in the life of a Forex trader, but guess what guys, I'm signing out from school. So take a GP guys, and what is that success story. So thank you guys. If you like this type of content, just subscribe, smash and watch till the end. Thank you guys for watching. I'm just coming back from the examination hall. So let me my sign out note. Stay on the right track guys and just wait for the next slide. This is still on the celebration story. So I want to change my clothes from the previous one to the signing one, which is the most important thing in this video. So without further ado, let's just dive straight to the next slide. At some point in time while I was vlogging, so I'm very sorry. Like I'm very sorry for that, because you know this is celebration thing. I've been very much busy. I'm even like, you know how it is now. So they have done it before. Like you know how excited I am. So don't blame me guys. I'm so sorry guys. So with that said, that will come to the end of the video. In my next video I will unveiling one thing to you. Okay, let me just disclose it for now. So if you like this type of content and you like this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, share to your family and loved ones. So comment what you want me to do on the next video, so that I will know what to do. Thank you guys for watching and peace out guys. 4 years.